So, first leg of our trip to GP Vegas. Excited for that one, we are. Downside. Gas is expensive right now because it's summer. Also, our air conditioner died last night. Not in the car. The car still works, thank the Lord. The one at the house, which wouldn't be that much of a problem if we lived in a place like, say, I don't know, Washington or LA or where any other YouTuber lives or Twitch streamer lives or whatever. But no, we live in California City. We live in the desert. We live in the desert that Fallout New Vegas is in. And it's about as radioactive. So Red and Mikella were getting snacks. We just filled up with gas. We're good to go.
Here's your
I'm tired. Oh, thank you. Welcome to Eddie's World.
Hi.
It is a huge bathroom in Yermo on your way to Vegas. This is an ubu scorpion.
Yeah.
Which is not something I knew needed to exist, but it is.
It's smiling. Call it the right thing. It's a house lobster.
It's a tiny house lobster. That's adorable. And they have make your own pizzas and poke bowls. That's right, fish in the desert. But I like their argument of it's 2 hours fresher than Vegas, and that's literally what it says on the sign. See? That's what it says on the sign. So it is the morning of the GP, morning of day 1. So that's good. Happy about that. I am very tired. We did not get back in till midnight. So let me back up. We got into the house. We're at the house. Yep. Here's kind of the deal. My mom, long story short, my mom and my stepdad own a house in Vegas that is kind of the, everyone in the family gets to use it as an Airbnb kind of a deal. It's nice. I really should get a tripod for this camera eventually. Anyway. We got in here around 5. Mom and Randy got here around 7:30? No. We met them at Cracker Barrel around 8. It was the first time Red or Mikella had ever been at Cracker Barrel. I'm going to switch hands. Oop. There we go. Thumb in the shot there for a second. I'm getting better. I'm not. That was still bad. Went to Cracker Barrel. And then Mom needed to charge her car because my mom's car is electric. So we went to Fremont Street. I was already exhausted from driving the 4 hours from Cal City to Vegas. And then we didn't get into like after midnight. Didn't get to actually sleep until like 12:45. I was in horrible pain. So I'm kind of glad that I'm signed up for the Saturday event. For the limited. And not for the modern. Because if I've signed up for modern, I'd be screwed right now. I'm so tired. Still gonna be fun. I do have Battle Bond later today. Mikella and I plan on doing Battle Bond Seagulled. 2-headed giant as a team. We plan on hunting down everyone who I have prototypes for the big super secret project. Which, I'm going to tell you now, I'm making custom magic cards. So, Wizards of the Coast employees, look away. When I say custom cards, what I'm really meaning, I mean that I am taking concepts from Magic, using it for some game design purposes, and making a silver border set, so a silly set like Unstable. But in this case, using it based off of one of the bigger inspirations behind us doing APG, which is loading ready run. So I'm going to try to find everyone from LRR and the other YouTubers and Twitch streamers who are also important that we also have prototypes for. And not that if you aren't part of this that you're not important. Because, like, there's some who I really dig, but I didn't put in the set for whatever reason. So they might get their own in the future. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Like, the reason tells me to go lie back down. But I'm not going to because I can't sleep, because teaching for a year has trained my brain to wake up this early and not fall back to sleep. So instead, I'm recording this, and then I'm going to play some Mario Galaxy. I'm going to prepare my backpack, or sling bag, and then we're going to go to the GP once Red and Mikella are up. I'd like to go sometime in the next 2 hours so that we can go and get there before 9. That's just me. Yep. And there will be more footage of things. I really need to get better at vlogging stuff. Yep. So, we don't know where the GP is. We kind of know where it is.
We found it. We found the convention center itself.
But
if you can see out our
we
windows.
don't know where in the convention center we're going. I think we're in the South Halls. We're going to double check.
We'll check.
But we will let you know when we are in the convention center. Which, if I edit this right, which I might not have, it'll be right now. We found the place. It took us like a half hour. Well, we found it before that. It was parking.
We found the building. We just couldn't find parking.
Parking is atrocious here. But we're definitely in the right place, because we just saw a big sign that said Magic Grand Prix. Had Liliana Best. There's a Nissa Ravina in front of us. Also, giant pictures of flamingo dancers, but that's Vegas for you.
We're in Vegas.
We're here. We did it.
We made it.
There will be pictures and videos of other things as we go. But my arms are very tired, so I'm going to stop recording at this moment. Can't see him very well. There's Karn. And there's somebody else vlogging. But there's Karn. Way down there. Walking into the hall. It's an important silver golem. No. No time for sarcasm. We're at a GP. Finally! It's so cool. There's some very cool things here. I'm liking it. There's also announcements, which are very loud.
They are.
No luck in hunting down people other than Ashlyn Rose. We found her. We gave her her prototype card. I guess by the time this goes up, prototypes will be unveiled. No, because I'm going to put this up sooner. Never mind. Ignore that. By the last one, the prototypes will be unveiled. Yes. I will.
I'm sure we can give them a preview of what it is that they're seeing.
All right. Yeah. Pull them out. Pull them out. We have our big case here that the professor suggested on his video. I don't know him.
All right. Well, here's
yet.
one.
There's one. That's the one we have to give to Maria. We're making a loading ready run themed. Yeah, it's gonna look backwards on our preview. Loading ready run
I can
themed
rewind
cube.
it and read it.
Don's so happy. Look at how happy that Pip is. Hi. All right. Make a loading ready run cube, and there's a guest star cycle, and every guest star should be here, to my knowledge, except for our red guest star, which is Emma Handy, who I talked to about this on Twitter already. It's very cool. It's very fun. I like it. We're just sitting at some tables because this is heavy. It's full of cards. It's full of cardboard.
It's full of decks. It's very heavy.
Yeah, I mean, they've got a land base. I got the rookie decks. I got 2 rookie decks in each color. I don't know why I brought that. I guess my thought was somebody's going to be dragged to this and might want to learn. So there's that. And I brought some Force of Will decks. Make people play Force of Will.
Because maybe they're sick of magic.
And I'm going to have to blur out that because I just realized my phone number is backwards behind the Force of Will decks. You get to look at these Force of Will decks. Those ones. You don't get to look at darkness or wind or water or fire. You get light and void, and that's it. Anyway.
I'm looking for people, so.
Yes, Mikella is being a very good lookout for important people. So, there's that. Important people being people I need to give prototypes to, or Rachel, because I went to kindergarten with her. Well, I guess we went all the way through high school together. And it'd be nice to see her again. So, yeah. Oh, the bathrooms are upstairs? That's gotta be annoying.
A little bit.
Like, if you really have to pee, every step is just going to send shocks through your bladder.
Well, I'm also pretty sure
There's probably an elevator.
that there's an elevator.
There's probably a downstairs bathroom, too. But it still looks annoying.
And I have a feeling if you go out the building
Yeah.
into the hallway,
I want to go into the hallway.
you can find one.
All right. I'm being obstinate. I'm sorry.
Anyway.
I'm waiting for the snack person over there to bust out some churros. I don't know if they ever will, but I want churros. See, I want churro. It sounds tempting, even just saying the word churro. Anyway, I might be a little low blood sugary because of this stupid diet, which we're technically not on because we're on vacation, but I'm still on.
We're trying to stick as close to it as we can, which I've turned off all of my alarms to say, hey, you should probably eat.
We're sticking to it as close as we can, while still shoving our faces full of like macaroni and cheese and pizza. So that's how this works.
'Cause it's delicious.
It is. Yep. Pro tip, if you want barbecue at GP Vegas, don't go to the barbecue place in the convention hall. Go to Big Daddy's food truck. I tried to document this sandwich, and I ate half of it before I hit record. It is that good. I'm a little sad there's no coleslaw, but oh my goodness, the pulled pork is. If they're here tomorrow, I want brisket. Like full stop. I would eat that breakfast, lunch, and dinner if I could. That is fantastic.
What are my thoughts on it?
Yeah, she's been wolfing that down. It's really good. Those of you who follow me on Twitter already know this. I've been tracking down people to give them the prototypes. At this point, I've already hit up Serge, Ben Ulmer, Serge Yeager, the Professor, and Ashlyn Rose. We saw Cameron, but he had his headphones in and kind of had that look of he needed to be unpeopled. I don't know, but I didn't want to bother him in that state. So I'm hoping I run into him again later this weekend. I got a thing there. That's annoying. And then we still haven't found James or Wedge's hurt. I hope he's okay. At this point, I don't know. Well, like, if you're watching this, you probably already knew that. Because, like, he's way bigger than we are, but still, it's a concern. So, yeah. Our first event hasn't even started yet. Red and I don't even do the main event until Saturday. It's Thursday. Mikella and I, though, are going to be doing Two-Headed Giant Battle Bond in a little bit. It'll be great. I hope it's great. I think it'll be great. You think it'll be great?
It's gonna be awesome.
Okay. Yeah. And I'm arguing with myself whether I should do Cons Draft. I don't think I'll do Cons Draft. It'd be fun, but I don't want to miss Battle Bond, and they're too close together. Yeah. It's time for Battle Bond. She's going Gruul. I'm going Orzhov. Not really. Really, I'm going, oh my goodness, look at lots of swamp. But oh my goodness, look at all these warriors. And she's going big things now. So her big things can make my warriors stronger. My warriors can make her big things stronger. And it's great. It'll be fun. Got this?
Got this.
Okay. That is your ring hand. I am so glad you did not slam that forward. That would have hurt.